to learn and to teach, a bit of both. It's not one directional. It's us understanding about the local environment, the culture. This is why the minister's here. This is why the chief fire officer's here. We want to learn about how things operate in Gibraltar, and then we see how we can help. We're a not-for-profit organisation, so there's no financial gain for us whatsoever. We're just here to raise the bar on professionalism in the fire safety industry. So we've got a lot of information that we've been doing for decades. Unfortunately, we learned the hard way with the Grenfell Tower tragedy, and we've got a lot of experience post that we can pass on. But I say it's interlaced with the local culture, so it's not a case of this is how you're meant to do it. Far from it. We're very much listening, but the presentations are as generic as they can be today to people understand what we can do and how we can offer to support people locally.
So it's aimed at professionals, individuals, a range of different companies and people?
Yeah, very much so. It's all about the special word competency. We use that an awful lot in the UK about this. And so we talk about companies and the competency they have, the individuals, how they're trained and the qualifications they have, and then the products that comply to the codes, like the British standards or European standards. We operate with both of those as well. Because even though we left EU, unfortunately, in my view, but that's life, it's nothing to do with the standards because that's SEN and CENELEC, which are not governed by being in the EU. So we very much are involved with European standards in Europe, and we sit on the Euro-alarm boards and guide those standards. So we do understand if people drift in and out between European and British standards, we've got them both covered, so we can help people with products as well.
And how much interest has there been locally? We've seen a lot of people inside.
Right, it's the great buzz about it, and people want to get involved, and people have brought themselves forward to us. So from all levels, from engineers to design engineers, fire specialists, fire and rescue service, say the ministerial level. We're going to see the governor later as well. So everybody's taken real interest in what we're trying to achieve here.
And you say it's the first summit in Gibraltar. Are you looking forward to potentially doing some more in future?
Yeah, very much so. It's about sustainability on this sort of message. There's no point in us coming here and doing this and within 3-4 weeks everybody's forgotten all about it. We're committed to doing this, and we've done it in other places. We continue to come back and maybe make it an annual event. But in between that, we're also trying to set up some sort of, not a branch office, but some way of maintaining what we've got and working with the local companies, asking them to join and be part of it. So this is the start of something that's going to happen and hopefully improve everybody's fire safety in Gibraltar.
What's the importance of having a summit like this locally?
Listen, anything to do with fire and safety of our citizens is always going to be important. This is good for awareness, not just for our citizens, but also for the industry itself, developers, architects, etc. So yeah, it's always important to get that message across. I think we all have a responsibility, a duty and a moral obligation to look after Gibraltar and its citizens. So it's always good to put that message across.